guys, it's Mo from Complex Auto Boutique, and we got this brand new SQ5 that came in for a complete transformation. The entire vehicle is wrapped in Inozetek super gloss metallic rose, and this color is absolutely stunning. It's bold, sophisticated, and effortlessly catches the light, showcasing a depth and vibrancy that's hard to believe it's paint. Inozetek's high-quality material delivers an ultra-glossy finish with metallic sparkle that shifts beautifully in the sun. On the SQ5's sharp body lines and sporty curves, this wrap looks flawless, turning a premium SUV into a showpiece. To elevate the design even further, we upgraded all the badges to gloss black. The badges tie perfectly with the metallic rose wrap, giving the vehicle a clean yet aggressive aesthetic. We added dark ceramic tints to this vehicle to complete its sleek new look. Not only do they enhance privacy, but they also provide exceptional heat and UV protection, keeping the interior cool and protected. And for the finer details, we color matched the calipers to the wrap. Custom decals were added to give them a personalized touch, blending seamlessly into the overall design. Finally, the wheels were powder-coated gloss black and fitted with gloss black inserts. This high contrast detail creates a bold, cohesive finish, making the SQ5 stand out from every angle. This build is a perfect combination of elegance and sportiness, proving you can have it all. If you're ready to transform your vehicle, reach out to us today and stay tuned for more builds.
I love you, Ava.